Introducing the Tormach 8L lathe. A compact and capable CNC lathe. The machine comes pre-assembled so that the installation process is very easy. Just lift it out of the crate and set it on the stand or your favorite tabletop. It also runs on household 120 volt power, allowing you to plug it into any existing outlet. This brings huge value into any shop, school, or home. The 8L lathe comes with an integrated 5C spindle with a 1-inch through spindle bore and can turn a 10-inch part between centers. The 8L 5C spindle is powered with a 1.5 horsepower motor. With 2 speed ranges to choose from, you get the low-end torque to machine your difficult-to-cut materials and the high maximum spindle speed of 5,000 RPM to cut your softer materials efficiently. With an optional 5C 3-jaw chuck, you can take advantage of the 8 inches of swing clearance over the machine bed. The tailstock comes standard and is a Morse taper number 2 and has 2.2 inches of travel. The 8L lathe has a footprint of 89 inches wide by 36.5 inches deep and 45 inches high. And if you need to reduce that footprint a little bit further, you can just remove the side shelves. All of this is controlled with Tormach's user-friendly PathPilot control software. PathPilot comes with all the features that you expect: rigid tapping, single point threading, constant surface footage, and simple conversational programming, allowing you to run the machine without G-code knowledge. PathPilot also gives you the ability to integrate both pictures and video directly into your G-code, and also integrates with our online PathPilot HUB software, which will enable you to program your 8L lathe from any PC, as well as store and transfer your files directly to your machine, allowing you to program without CAM software even when you are away from your machine. All of these features come together to make the Tormach 8L lathe a perfect addition to any machine shop. To find out more about Tormach and the 8L lathe, follow the links in the description. But before you do that, remember to subscribe to our channel and to click that bell notification so you get the latest announcements from Tormach.